Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I put my hair in braids. I am not a professional or anything, but this is just something that I do. It's really for convenience because I have to wake up early in the morning to go to work. I'll throw my hair in braids and keep it moving. So I washed my hair yesterday, Saturday. This is my hair. Let me just show you length. This is where it is. Well, what I'm gonna do with my hair today is pretty much regular box braids, but I'm going to curl the ends. And the hair that I'm using is three tress braid, natural texture, and this is color T27. It's three in a pack, and it's 28 inches. I bought 2 packs, and I'm hoping that will be enough for me to do my hair. I don't have a lot of hair, as you can see. I don't have thick hair. My hair is pretty fine. So as you can see here, I already got some of that prepped for me to use. I'm going to be using this Camille Rose Curlade Moisture Butter. This is it right here. I really like this. It's really moisturizing and it smells great. The only thing I don't like is the price. This is $18.99. Ain't nobody got time for that. When I use this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders, of course I have my comb and I have my rat tail comb as well to part my hair. I have some scissors and I have my edge brush. This is my edge control. This is by Style Factor. It's $11.99. I have some of these hair clip thingies. That's pretty much it. So without further ado, oh guys, I have to tell you. So this is the mirror that I usually use. It has like 3 sides and it really helps me tremendously when it comes to parting my hair. It's called Self Style, and I'm just hooking it on one of those chest drawers that I have. It's like perfect. Just like that baby in there and adjust it to the length that you want, and then you're all good to go. I'm going to be trying the knotless braid method. Okay guys, so you pretty much see how I part my hair. I'm going to do this part off camera only because the setup that I have going on right now is a little ratchet, and I'm trying to get into the hang of things of how to like set up the camera so you can see everything. I'm going to see how I'm gonna record the front so you guys can see. All right guys, I got the back done. I'm gonna show you. So I have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows for the back.
Let me show you how I'm going to do the front. So all you have to do is, ooh, how do I explain this? I'm not good at explaining stuff, y'all. Like for example here, you just gotta match this parting with like the front, if that makes any sense. So from here you just part. Alright guys, so I am done with the front portion of my hair. I have 4 rows on each side, and like I said before, I have 6 in the back. So what I'm gonna do is do some on camera so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so guys, I've been struggling to try to find a good spot for you guys to see what I'm doing. So now I'm standing on my feet, so hopefully you guys will see. Alright guys, pretty much all you have to do is to divide the hair into 3 equal parts as best as you can. And then you're going to take your right index finger, you're going to loop it underneath the middle piece to grab the piece on the left side. Right there. I hope you can see that. I'm gonna do it again. Right index finger, loop it and grab the left strand. And from there, you're gonna take your braiding hair and slide it between the right index finger and the thumb while adding pressure to the hair strand so the hair can be tight. And you pretty much have to do the same thing on the other side. Once you return back to the left side, that's when you add your other strand of hair. And you just continue to add as much as you want, depending on how thick the braid is. I usually just do 3 strands, and then from there, if the hair does get thinner as I'm braiding down, I'll add a thin piece just so it can look even. Yo, Brandy and Tiwa did their thing with the song. Ooh, that run is fire. Let me show you how the back is looking right now. Oh my god, this is so cute. Why go to the hair salon when you can do this for yourself, sis, and save you some ching ching? Okay guys, we're down to the last one. I'm tired. I'm just so happy that I am going to finish these braids. I'm not going to dip them or curl them tonight. I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning. I just wanted to record this last part over here and then show you guys how the braids are looking. Oh, by the way, I bought 2 packs of hair and each one of them had 3 bundles. I just took one out for 3 braids. 3 braids. Like, I almost made it with 1 pack, and I unfortunately I had to open the second pack. It's a good thing I bought, otherwise I would have been screwed. final look.
Good morning, y'all. It is 6:09. Oh my god, when my alarm went off, I was like, Jesus, why you playing me like that? But in reality, I played myself, y'all, because I started late.
Alright, y'all. I got out the shower. I put the same shirt on because, well, why not? Because it's gonna get wet anyways. Oh, I'm gonna be using these right here. Bruh, I should have like boiled the water while I was doing this. I'm doing this all backwards, but okay, so I dipped my hair in hot water. They're still kind of wet, but I'm keeping them in for a little while. So I'm just gonna do my edges now. I'm not gonna do too much. Nothing over exaggerated. All right, guys, so I'm dressed. I did a little something. I just brushed my eyebrows up to make it look like I did something, and I put a little mascara on, not too much. I'm usually basic as heck when I go to work, especially with like the pandemic. You know, you're stuck with a mask all day, and it's like,
What's the point? You know what I mean? What's the point?
and then I use like those washable masks, so it's not really worth it, in my opinion. These are the curls, y'all. This is how it came out. Oh my god, yes, it's cute. All right, let me see if I can show y'all the struggle, y'all. I'm hanging on the edge of my bed, but I just had to show y'all. Oh my god. Yes, with the flipping. Look at that little layered look. All right, y'all, gotta go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.